Welcome to Dubai, the city of thrills and adventure. From bowling to skiing, Dubai has something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore some of the most popular sports activities in the city. So get ready for an action-packed adventure. Ski Dubai is the first indoor ski resort in the Middle East. With 5 slopes of varying difficulty, Ski Dubai is the perfect place for skiing and snowboarding enthusiasts. The Dubai Autodrome is the perfect place for car enthusiasts. With its 5.39 kilometers track, the Autodrome offers a thrilling experience for both professional and amateur drivers. The Dubai Bowling Center is the perfect place for a fun night out. With its state-of-the-art facilities, the center offers a great bowling experience for all ages. The Dubai Ice Rink is the perfect place for ice skating enthusiasts. With its Olympic-sized rink, the ice rink offers a great experience for both beginners and experienced skaters. The Dubai Kartdrome is the perfect place for go-karting enthusiasts. With its 1.2 kilometers track, the Kartdrome offers a thrilling experience for both professional and amateur drivers. The Dubai Marina is the perfect place for sailing enthusiasts. With its calm waters and stunning views, the marina offers a great experience for both beginners and experienced sailors. The Dubai Offroad Center is the perfect place for off-roading enthusiasts. With its challenging terrain, the Offroad Center offers a thrilling experience for both professional and amateur drivers. The Dubai Paintball Park is the perfect place for paintball enthusiasts. With its state-of-the-art facilities, the paintball park offers a great experience for all ages. That's it for our tour of Dubai's most popular sports activities. From skiing to paintball, Dubai has something for everyone. So get ready for an action-packed adventure.